Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Nirupma Tiwari, Associate Professor in Advanced Computing Department in the Sage University, Indore. Today, we are discussing on the topic of data mining techniques. So, there are various data mining techniques. Some techniques are in the category of association rule mining, use cases for association rule mining, use of association rules, example of association rules, a priori algorithm, a priori properties, limitations of a priori algorithm. So today we are discuss various data mining techniques. First, we discuss a data cleaning and preparation. The data cleaning and preparation is a vital part of the data mining process. Raw data must be cleaned and formatted to be useful in the different analytic methods. Data cleaning and preparation include different elements of data modeling, transformation, data migration, ETL, ELT, data integration, and data aggregation. It is necessary step for understanding the basic features and attributes of data to determine its best use. So, data cleaning and preparation is a vital part of the data mining techniques. Now we are discuss on tracking pattern. Tracking pattern is a fundamental data mining technique. It involves identifying and monitoring trends or pattern in the data to make intelligent inference about the business outcomes. Once an organization identify a trend in the sales data, for example, there is a basic for taking action to capitalize on that insight. If it is determined that a certain product is selling more than others for a particular demography, an organization can use this knowledge to create similar product or services, or simply better stock the original product for this demographic. Now, Now we are discussing the outlier detection. Outlier detection determine any anomalies in the database. Once organization find abbreviations in their data, it becomes easier to understand why these anomalies happen and prepare for any future occurrences to best achieve business objectives. For instance, if there is a spike in the uses of the transitional system for credit card at a certain time of day, the organizations can capitalize on this information by figuring out why it is happening to optimize their sales during the rest of the day. What is clustering? Clustering is an analytics technique that relies on visual approach to understanding the data. Clustering mechanism use some graphics to show where the distributions of the data is in the relations to different types of matrices. Clustering techniques also use the different color to show the distributions of the data. By using clustering, we can identify the similar types of objects in a single cluster. So there is a one cluster head, which nodes are nearest to the cluster head, or use some property to nearest in the cluster head. So we can collect these nodes in the similar cluster. Graph approaches are ideal for using cluster analytics. With a graph and clustering in particular, users can visually see how data is distributed to identify the trends that are relevant to their business objectives. Predictions. It is also a data mining technique. Prediction is a very powerful aspect of the data mining that represents four branches of the analytics. Predictive analyst use pattern found in current or the historical data to extend them into the future. Thus, it gives organizations insight into what trends will happen next in their data. There are several different approaches to using predictive analytics. Some of more advanced involve the aspect of the machine learning and artificial intelligence. However, predictive analytics does not necessarily depend on these techniques. It can also be facilitated with more straightforward algorithm.